Go on, strike. Strike! Strike! Oh, please!
This is an amazing moment, I think, for UK policing and UK law enforcement. Thanks to our partners in the National Crime Agency and internationally, we have been able to hit the most senior levels of organised crime, where it hurts most, getting people arrested, seizing their cash, stopping their distribution networks in a way that I have literally never seen before.
I've been really... Why has he said I just wish it wasn't raining? Yeah, you can drive it. Anyway, get back in touch, Jay. I won't be able to sleep tonight. You can drive it. Yes, you can.
These people deal in misery. They make huge amounts of money out of moving drugs around the country, importation, distribution, moving firearms, through threatening each other, sometimes murdering or attempting to murder each other. They make massive amounts of money. Many of them are older. Many of them are people we have known something about or arrested and put in prison before. This is their total way of life. And some of them will appear very respectable. This will be a surprise to their neighbours. But they are top-end organised criminals whose work, if you like, whose impact plays out on the streets of London every day in sheer misery for young people who are drawn into drug dealing, people getting involved in violence, county lines, for example. The county lines are enabled by these criminals. Many of them lead a very respectable seeming lifestyle, and definitely a high-end lifestyle in fancy houses with big cars, going to clubs and restaurants, splashing the cash sometimes, but sometimes being very discreet about it, looking very respectable. But they are after money and power, but money in particular. And sadly, they have been making, some of them, huge amounts of money.